Here's another video of my grandma of this 1992 GMC pickup. And something else I forgot to tell you. When you go to start it, look, it won't start because you gotta push the clutch in. So you always wanna push the clutch in to start it, because it won't start if you don't have your foot on the clutch. So put your foot on the clutch and the brake. But if I let my foot off the clutch, look what happens. Won't start. And if I put my foot on the clutch, it starts right up. So we know what this is. And you know, these are gears. So when you're ready to move, you just like pull that out, then here your gears. So you know, this is first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, which is overdrive, and reverse. So first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, which is overdrive, and reverse, and neutral. Just like the dump truck, as I said. Then you recognize this. This is called a fuse box with lots of fuses. And just like for the blankers or the windshield wipers. So yeah, I know for the windshield wipers, that's the horn. So yeah, so to release the thing, you just pull that up, the thing will come out. Then when you want to put it on, you just use your foot to push it down so it doesn't roll when you're on a hill, or so it don't roll. And then push this down on the side, then it will just shut right off. So, but there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.